Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show how to install Apache Maven on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, install Java JDK on your system and set the Java home path environment variable. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and then browse this URL www.oracle.com. Hit enter and then click on the products menu, then scroll down and select Java. Now click on this download Java link. Finally scroll down and select the JDK version and then select the operating system. Now download the installer file. I am going to download this installer file. Simply click on this download link. That's it. It may take a while for downloading JDK 25 for Windows operating system. After a successful download, navigate to the downloads folder and then open this installer. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. Now click on next and then choose the JDK installation directory. This is the default installation location. I'm going to install JDK on this program files. Click on next. It may take a while for installing Java as a development kit. That's it. Close this wizard and then I'm going to set the Java home path environment variable. So open edit the system environment variables. Click on the environment variables and I'm going to create a new environment variable for all users. So go to the system variable section and then click on new. Now define the variable name here Java underscore home and then go into the local disk C, then program files Java JDK, copy this path and paste here as a value for this variable, then click on OK. Now click on the path variable, then click on edit. You can delete this. Okay, now click on new to add the environment variable here. Here this is the win subdirectory. Inside this subdirectory Java compiler stored in. So add this here, then click on OK. Now open command prompt to verify the installation. type java version, hit enter. That's it. Java 25.0.1 installed successfully on Windows operating system, and this is the latest LTS version of Java JDK. Now I am going to download Apache Maven for Windows operating system. So search for Apache Maven and then browse this URL. Click on this download link. Now download the latest version of Apache Maven. I am going to download the zip archive file. This file. It may take a while for downloading. After a successful download, navigate to the downloads folder and then extract this zip archive file. And now copy this and paste into the local disk C or your system installation disk. Now navigate to this folder and then copy this path and open. Edit the system environment variables. Then click on the environment variable. Go to the system variable section and click on new and define a new variable. Name it Maven underscore home. Then variable value. This is the path. Then click on OK. Now click on the path variable and then edit. Now add this path here. Click on new and then write Maven underscore home / bin. Then hit enter. Now click on OK. 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 Let's verify the installation. Open command prompt and type this command mvn -- version. Then hit enter. That's it. Apache Maven 3.9.12 installed successfully within the Java version. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.